Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn what is domain model and where we can use it. So here is the diagram of the domain model where you can see each of computer connected to a server, its domain controller. It is called centralized server, AD, or domain controller we can call this, where we can use a domain model. A domain model is mainly used in MNC company, multinational company, or medium-sized company. It's very secure. It has a firewall, antivirus, domain security policy, that is called GPU group policy. It's a centralized administrator use server to control the security and the permission for all computer on the domain centrally. All right. If you have a user account on the domain, you can log on to any computer on the domain without needing an account on that computer. That means once your ID is created on the domain, you would able to log in into any machine which is available in your company premises. All computer connected to a domain controller. That means each computer is connected to domain control, as we saw in the diagram. In domain model, it's very easy to install a patch, a software on all machine in few hours. Let's say you have a thousands of machine and you wanted to install a single application on it. Let's see if that is on workgroup model. You have to know what you have to do is you have to insert the pen drive and you need to install it on each and every computer. So it takes time. In domain model, you have just select the computer where you want to install that package, that application. On single click, it will install that particular application on thousands of application on thousands of computer in just 5 or 10 minutes. So here is the difference. Thank you. Let's see you next video.